Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's video, I'll show you how to clear app cache on Firestick.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Firestick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Okay, let's get started. So to clear app cache on Firestick, I need you to just hop over to your Firestick. When it's loaded, just go over to settings and then you go to applications. Under the application settings, come over to manage installed applications, click on it, and then you find a list of applications. You can sort it alphabetically, make sure it is showing show all applications so that you can find whatever app you're looking for. So for instance, if I was trying to clear the cache in downloader, all I need to do is to click on downloader. I'll bring up the settings. I just come to the bottom and I see clear cache. So if I click on clear cache, that clears all the cache in downloader. It frees up some space and it gets the application fresh. This can also solve some bugs when necessary for access some certain apps. So I hope that was useful, hope it was insightful. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. This is DaveTech signing out.